这个这个动作我的第后看了，这个老上北了，上北了，这动作好不得劲嘛的，我敢招不了，我敢招给他，我敢招，
I mean, think you can speak. Okay.
Smile. Say hi. A little windy today. Cho trường nó biết không biết à? What are you selling today? Oh, ngay bữa đây à? Yeah. Cowboy. Hey. Good to see you again.
Có phải của nhà nhỏ nhà như là đấy.
Happy New Year, everybody. Mai.
Có tham mà mang
đây. Thay nhá, thay lấy thay đua. Thay đua nữa là.
Họ từ làm bùa tê, họ từ làm bùa tê. Oh yeah.
Bố không à? Hey.
Yeah, no, Happy New Year to everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah. Happy New Year đi nè, nhớ đồng số chia. Cái này là lắc chữ. Ô, họ cho. Cho nên cho họ cho, bố mua chì bé mỏng mới cho là tua ya.
Mua chì là mua hầu nữa đó.
Ô, cho nên gì khác cái nữa. Cho nên mà chữ cá hay ô, tất nhiên đó là. Oh my god.
Chú kia mắm lộ trên chú sẽ nào.
Chú nó ngay liền à.
Chỉ ta hay ngay做嘞，让他这。
这古做烧饼贵油啊，那起码古就太多人去这种油啊的，冻啊，这种就没等下了。你今年在我现在店，我有个啊，之前古被啥的古油呢，这什么古都拉呢只狗的胸一下的。
这老古怎么去吹人家？做咁弄呢？
個老實聽啦，就個 take break 啦，個 short 尾啦。
吹人家個個腿，個頭龍嗰陣時，我冇借我我只睇要就賺嘢，冇賺價啫。嘅啊，要吹看價呢？
未有。學姐啲老師能夠做哪呢？
賺價呢，就說整東北這樣到這種呢。
學姐啲老師啊。
你。
學姐嘛，學姐嘛，兩個拿的，出拿拿出拿。
我攞來比我那個蒙古不到車上。
來來，我在那邊啦，我在那邊要Oklahoma那邊去 ，big guy。
我這個早上去啊，這還不到站呢，過來沒這好丟臉呢。
Hello. Nó làm từ lần này phun cổ số như thế này, very interesting. Khương chê nữa, thế này à? Oh yeah. Hey, you do it, how's business today?
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
A lot of people.
Oh yeah.
Living the dream.
Ooh, your mom's, man, I'm so impressed how your mom got all these from overseas, man. Bên mong tù đó, cắt tính là vậy đó, cắt tính vậy, nó hút vậy đó.
Cứ tính là mấy chục.
Cứ tính là cắt tính là.
Cứ tính là ha.
Cứ tính.
Mấy chục. Hello, you having fun?
I'm having a great time. Too bad you didn't come drink with me. Okay. Too bad you didn't get to come drink with me over there. You know what? Happy New Year, brother.
Hey, Happy New Year, Colonel.
Yeah, it's been a great year this year. Yeah, I love
me,
it.
guys.
Yeah. So colorful. The only bad thing is so windy. I hope the wind isn't messing up my audio. When you're in California, don't you know that? Oh my God. You drop it, chỉ nhau lòng là bên nhau ya.
Sáng thì là tiền. Tôi hiểu rồi, thế mấy nó tự nhiên.
Sáng chỉ là có chủ lọ kia ha. No shit, brother. Thank you for being out here. I'm gonna go keep taking some videos, so I might not see you very much. Okay, sorry, no, okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to my favorite spot, which is the food section. Anything else doesn't interest me as much, but họ mua sai rong mà họ cũng nhiều sắp tới nè. Cô cho này tú là bên tôi nói gì cũng mua, tôi là cũng hậu được gì cũng chỉ là gì là cũng lạc cũ rồi đấy, nhưng mà hopefully they are enjoying themselves. Colonel, I heard my name called. Let's see what's going on over here. Hey, if you're gonna come over here, you better have beer. Yeah, my brother.
Listen up, man.
Hey, you're gonna come over here. You better be me. You're gonna call me for something better.
I just came to do a stop.
Yeah.
I just didn't want to stop.
Don't call me over here for water only.
Hey, happy New Year, man.
Yeah, somebody there. Somebody there.
Thanh to luôn nè.
Oh, camera đâu luôn quá. Yeah, camera everywhere. My phone and this too.
Security, in case something
Yeah.
happened, we had on body cam.
All right, so here, guys. These all my brothers right here. All my brothers right here.
Happy New Year, happy New Year.
Yeah. Có chào lo. Here. Here. You doing one? Okay. Shit. Hey, it's illegal to have beer out here. Do you know that?
Is it what?
It's illegal to have beer out here.
It's illegal to have beer out there. It's not in the shade.
Alright.
It's good. It's approved by Colonel.
Yeah, that's this is my family, so we can do anything wrong. That's fine.
Hey,
I'm in charge.
we running there. We running there.
Yeah. I'm gonna come by to say hi to Uncle, okay? Yeah. How old are you? Yeah, sir, go ahead.
Are you better than him?
I'm his older brother.
Oh,
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Was he bad in 3rd grade?
What?
Was he bad in 3rd grade?
No, he wasn't that bad. Third grade, he wasn't that bad. Nicky, were you bad in 3rd grade?
Yeah, he's asking you.
No, were you bad in 3rd grade? I said
I
no.
know how I was.
No, I said no. You were not bad at all.
He's lying.
I put it.
You don't remember that.
I put him football. He broke his collarbone, and then so he quit. But then he went to music.
See, so he doesn't remember yet. But when I tell him this, he'll remember. I used to ride my bike to school, right? So he told me to ride my bike. So I'm on my bike to school, and I had to ride through the college.
Oh yeah, he went to play games.
Yeah, so I just every time I come home, I just go play game.
Yeah.
And he'll come looking for me.
I get work because he don't call me, and well, back then we don't have phones, so it wasn't easy for him to call me. So he just disappeared. So
And I do stuff like that. I randomly do that. So I think he wanted to tell you that yes, I was a pretty bad kid.
Yeah, no, but he wasn't at all. He wasn't.
I just did whatever I wanted to do.
He wanted his thing. It's just that I'm as an older brother and as a parent to him, I would just over worry because you know when your brother don't show up, yeah, we're gonna worry, right? Yeah. So I'm so happy to see you, son. That's a good kid. Okay. Yeah, let's be good, okay? Your dad would be proud. If your dad was here, your dad would be proud.
Remember the time when I fell off the cliff?
Yeah.
With Nambi, when I went with Nambi there?
Yeah.
And I came back with the freaking, came back and my feet was all messed up.
Hey, when I fell off a cliff, Nambi came, he spanked the shit out of me because he said, you deserve more because why did you climb that cliff anyway to begin with, right? No, I remember I went up there and I fell and I hurt myself. Right? They say, hey, Shaw hurt himself. So Nambi was one of the first one that showed up. When he showed up, he beat the heck out of me. He said, this is what you get.
He should have done that to me. I think he was so embarrassed. He's like, just stay in the car.
No, my brother, I remember I fell out the cliff. My brother came my victor.
Yeah.
Just one more?
And I don't think he remember it. I remember it because he came and he spanked me. Because he should not even climb there in the beginning.
Yeah.
So that's how we take care of
See?
each other. That's how we take care of each other.
You gonna climb something for? If I spank you, don't feel bad.
Yeah. That's how we take care of each other, kid. And then we grow up, we learn to appreciate that. We learn to appreciate the fact that, hey, my brother kept me in check. That's why I am who I am today. You're a good kid. I love you, man. I love you. You don't know me, but I'm Niki's brother. Okay? And I'm your dad. Your dad and I already told your dad and I we were not only cousins, we're best friends. Your dad. Yeah, your dad. I love him. I miss him too. I still miss him today. If I talk about it, I want to cry, but I'm trying not to cry today. Yeah. Okay, let me drink my beer, and I'll give you on my way.
I was gonna go try and visit you, bro. No, you've been too busy.
So busy, Peter. Yeah.
Hey, you know we're here, so
I know.
Hey, bear cupcake.
Yeah. Can I eat no more? I need room for beer. Holy, who are these? Who are these people? Hey, who is it? Oh my God. Hey, how's it going? Where's your daddy?
Cornhole.
Cornhole? Oh my God.
Daddy.
Okay. Cornhole. You like cornhole? No, he don't like cornhole. Your kid don't like cornhole. Happy New Year, guys. Đây là sông xa là cái. Happy New Year. Ô, giờ cũng vậy. Cũng thay đua thế, đi sông xa giờ cũng chỉ nói đi nhau thả ra cái. Yeah, go. Okay, I keep going. It's kind of hard to do video when you have so many people you gotta greet and say hi to. So it's a big distraction, but I'm gonna do my best to give you some videos of what's going on here in Oklahoma in October, late October. See what they have over here. Sugar cane. Ooh. Wow. This is still green. Chỉ nên chúa này bọc mà. Một tô xé. Tại chỉ mà. Bây giờ. Số lại mà đa mà thế xé, chúa xé à?做好的做。California. What kind of fruit is this? What do they call it?
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit?
Passion fruit.
Orange? Green orange? Okay, yeah. Oh, wow. Persimmon. Đi lụt chi right here. Ooh, look at baby mango. Ooh, baby mango. Đi cho to, oh my God. Bây giờ đâu rồi chẳng theo đi cho to thế à nhở? Oh, nè. I don't want you to reveal your secret, but where'd you get these from?
Florida, California.
Florida? Oh my God.
California, Florida.
Very good business. Ooh, look at all the seasoning they have here. My God. I think you put on your own, right? I think you do your own. I think you do yourself. I think you do yourself. They don't have time. Shit, what is this? Ooh. Oh my God, young mango. Green mango. That's the China very fresh. Oh. Yeah, very fresh. Eh?
Yeah, that's good, sweet.
Look like it just came off the tree.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
It looks so fresh. This is China. Okay,
$10 2 pounds.
$10 2 pounds?
Yeah, 2 pounds, $10.
Oh, yeah.
$5 pound.
My God. Where did it come from? Where did it come from?
Guatemala.
Guatemala?
Yeah.
They have this in Guatemala too?
Oh, a lot.
Oh. Cái này These are guava. Ooh. Everything looks so good. What do you think? You like any of these stuff? Oh, this is pink guava. Oh my god, looks so good. They even have toothpick ready to eat. I wish I'm not handling the camera. I'll be eating one right now. Oh, chị cũng đã. Chị cũng nhiều. Chị cho đồ hả? Chị cho đồ. Oh wow. Oh my god. Chị cũng đã kỹ thế ya. Yeah, cũng bỏ lần đã. Cho chị đồ hả đó. This is $50 right here. Oh my god. Oh. It's unaffordable, very expensive. Maka. Dragon fruit right here. Yellow dragon fruit. All guava right here. It's amazing the price, amazing the price. Of course, gotta have the chili pepper.
Are these the sour?
Mình trong một nó xanh vô khổng hồ thế nhớ đâu à? Ô, mình xanh vô khổng hồ thế à? Này có chỉ riêng này à? Này cho còn nó mình gì khác tập rồi. Oh my god. Percent là California. Yeah. Over there we don't even eat it. But here, everybody fighting for their portion of it. More gì à? Ô, là lọ kéo trong sắp rồi đó. Trong sắp rồi đó. Này xí xí. Thế rồi cái gì? Này xí xí cái yếu khổng thế vậy. Ô, hai tiền à? Cái này là horse skin hả? Tại một kia nè, tại một kia. Oh my god. Cho nên cái món trộn đây kia, shop cái món hồi chơi trong nó mà. Hát sắp rồi đó, tới xìa có gì non như vậy thế à? Yeah.
Cho nên chín nó thế cả.
Chín nó khá là xìa, thổ có nó đá cái món trộn đây, còn nên mua cái đó. Kia kia nó rõ mà, oh yo, tò mò, especially tò mò, gì tò mò. Yeah, yeah, very good. This one comes with chili pepper in it already. Oh my god, this is like crackers, but it's just crackers. Oh, I wish I wasn't recording because otherwise I'd be eating that stuff right
like
now.
a few nickels and dimes out there.
No, are you good?
Yeah.
Hello, how you doing in there? Enjoying the New Year? Oh no, he said no, don't bother me. He said don't bother me. Oh, I'm getting out. I'm sorry, so sorry. Uncle should not be bothering the baby. Okay, that's good. All right, I'll go down there since the kid don't like me. Okay, let me show you. Show you. Give you an idea. Lên nó không cắt cheese nữa. Hey, what's up, man? Oh my god, this is so much sugar cane right here. Kachi is our favorite. Is it your favorite too? Yeah? You like kachi? What is it called? Huh? Sugar cane juice, right? I guess, let me guess, you guys must be sisters. And you are the oldest, and she's the second, she's the third. No? What did I say wrong?
We have one more.
One more?
Older sister.
Where is she at?
Friends.
With her friend? Oh my god. How about who is this one? All daughters? You got all daughters? Perfect, man. I have 4 daughters too.
Okay.
I love them all.
For sure.
Yeah. All right, look at all this pile of sugar cane. Look at this. You do business very good. Where you from? Where you guys from?
Texas.
Where?
Texas.
Texas? Oh yeah.
How many you want?
I cannot cut the line. Let my customer, let your customer take your part. Yeah, it's not fair for me to cut. Yeah. You guys doing a good job.
Yeah.
Doing a good job. Keep it up.
How many you want?
Okay, from Texas. Eh? This is all full line. That's why I think hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Say hi.
Someday when you are in 2000 55, you're gonna see yourself and you say, hey, that was me.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. Hi, I love you, man. Okay. Okay, so here we go. There are all kinds of food going on here. There's always a long line and everywhere you go. How's it going, son?
Going good. How about you?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm a little buzzed, so my camera might be kind of shaky, but. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yeah. Another sugarcane vendor right here. Hey, I heard you got the best sugarcane.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hey, I love those outfits. Looks nice on you guys. Can we get a little smile? Like that. Hello. Did you say something? Hello. Say hello. Hello. Yeah. Ooh, such a baby. I love this cute baby. Hi. Say hello. Yeah. Oh my God. These guys are so adorable. So adorable. Adorable. Who's your parents? Where's your mom and dad at? Who's your mom and dad?
I work in mommy. I'm sitting down.
Yeah? Where's your daddy? Who's your daddy? I want to meet him.
She's at work.
He's at work? Only mommy's here? Where's mommy at?
She's sitting down.
Yeah? Where's mommy at? We got a mommy? Do we have a mommy? Who's the mommy? Who's the mommy? Who's the mommy? Are you?
Mommy over there.
Where's the mommy at?
Over there.
Okay. Oh my God, I love this kid. Love it. They're so cute. Can I steal you? Can I steal you? Take you home with me? I'm just
You
kidding.
want to go home with him?
I'm just kidding. I love babies. Love babies. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Woo! More babies. This is our future. This is our generation. This is our future right here, man.
Yeah.
This is our future right here. Hi. Hello. Hi. This is our future right here. Our future right here. What's up, guys? That's the other half of my future. Here. Yeah.
Don't spill it. Don't tip it.
All right. Oh my God. Everything looks so fun today. What's up, guys? What's the subject today? What are we talking about today? Come on. What are we talking about today?
Volleyball.
Volleyball? What team are you guys?
Gutter boys. These are gutter boys.
That says Puma.
No, but he took off his shirt. He's gutter boys.
Oh, okay. Where are you guys from?
He's from Cali.
Cali?
Yeah.
All the way from Cali?
Yeah, he came
Damn.
from Cali.
Shit, there's no tournament in California no more? You got all the way to Oklahoma to compete?
Oh, no. I'm from Oklahoma. He's from Cali.
Okay, this guy's from Cali.
Yeah.
That means he's got to be very good because you
Yeah,
brought.
he's really good.
If you brought all the way from California,
Yeah.
he's worth a lot. He's worth a lot. All right,
Appreciate it.
be the star, man.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Hello, who is that? I love kids. I just want to interview kids. The adults, I've already know too many of them. I don't want to adult. Okay, that's okay.
She's shy.
Shy. What's up, son? Doing good?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello. Oh my God, you got so much money. You got so much money. Money. Yeah. You your big sister? Is that your big sister? That your big sister? Yeah. Look, she's taking good care of you. She's holding your shoulder. Awesome. I love that. Hello. You know need perform lot. You guys performing?
She did.
I can tell because you look so pretty. So nice in those clothing. Yeah. So you guys performed in that big tent right there earlier? Yeah? Okay. Nice. Dancing? Hmong dancing? Nice. I love that. How about these guys? Are these part of the dancer group? No? You just dressed to impress? Yeah, you dressed to impress. I love the Hmong clothes. Hey, do you like that? You like Hmong clothes? You like Hmong clothes? Say I love it. yeah. I love it. All right. So tell me something about Hmong New Year that you love the most.
They sell sugar canes and it's really good.
You love the sugar cane.
Yes.
That's me too.
It's
my
very
favorite too.
flavorful.
Yeah. How about you? What do you love about Hmong New Year?
I love the mangoes.
The mangoes?
Yes, the mangoes.
You guys love all the things I love. Shoot, we must have a lot of things in common.
Yeah.
I love that. How about you? What do you love? What do you like about Hmong New Year?
The boba.
The boba.
The boba.
Okay, that's something new. I have not tried that, so I don't know if I like it or not.
Really?
But I think if everybody love it, I love it. Food is my favorite thing in life.
Me too. That's why I'm
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. That's why you guys are still waiting in line, right? Yeah. Okay. You guys love food?
Yes.
I love food too. My favorite too. 你多少多?
But you know.
You know?
No.
Tulsa? How come I never seen you guys before? Yeah. Okay. Nice to have you guys out here.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy the new year.
You too.
Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna go on. Oh shoot! So many people to interview. So little time. I like your hat. I like your hat. I like your clothes too. Yeah.
Thank you.
Where's yours? Where's your colorful clothing?
Mango. Right.
Oh, that's yours? Okay, it's too hot. You took it off, huh? I get it. I understand. How about you? Tell me.
No, tell him what outfit is.
I want to interview you, young kid.
Okay.
Tell me your feeling about Hmong New Year.
It's like a lot of people. Exciting.
Exciting?
And exciting and fun. And it's
Yep.
really hot.
It's really hot.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me what's so exciting about Hmong New Year.
We get like boba.
Yeah.
And there's and we get music.
Hmong music?
Yeah.
You're gonna be a Hmong music singer one day?
I don't know, but always have fun.
Yes. That's important. Yeah. What's great about Hmong New Year? Tell me.
It's fun and happy.
Huh?
It's fun and happy.
Yeah?
It's
Fun and happy?
Fun and happy.
Yo, yeah, I love that. That's fun and happy. Okay, you guys, you old people. Older folk. I'm old people. You guys are older folk. Okay, tell me something about Hmong New Year that you're excited about. Tell me what's important about
The
that.
community all come out and
Yeah.
be one.
Yeah. Tell me your name.
Jacqueline, Bing.
Bang.
Oh yeah, I forgot
And where
to
you
say
from?
my name.
I'm from SAC.
Sacramento.
I forgot to say
Oh
my
my
name.
God. Your name?
I'm Claire.
Of course.
And I'm from California.
Really?
Yeah.
All the way from California? Do you know where we at right now? Do you know where you're at right now?
I think Oklahoma.
You think you're in Oklahoma?
Yeah.
Where are you in Oklahoma on a map? Do you know? Have any idea?
I'm in BA.
BA?
Broken Arrow.
Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Man, so much fun.
Yeah.
I enjoy seeing you guys enjoying it. That's the funnest part for me. Like it. Now what are you guys waiting for right now? You're waiting to get what?
Boba.
Boba?
Yeah.
And this is a long line you still wait for, right? Oh my, it must be that good. All right guys, enjoy. I'll see you guys. I gotta go see some older people to see what they think about this. You guys got a booth?
No.
No? You thought Mona, sir?
Yeah.
How about you? Why are you so sad?
I'm not sad.
No. What? How come I don't see no car wheel going on right now? If you're not sad, I should be seeing car wheel, right? Yeah. Good job. Good seeing you, kid. What are you guys waiting for? Yeah? Okay. Okay. They all look delicious. God damn. Ooh, this one looks so good. What is this? Oh, dick, duck head. Not dick head, duck head. Oh my God. Okay. So, who's the record there? No, good there. No, yeah, doing good? Yeah. Okay. Take it easy. I know. That's what we gotta get right early. Tomorrow, okay? Come earlier. Happy New Year, okay? Okay. Oh my God. Business is like crazy busy in during Hmong New Year. Me chap la bia. Chap la. Chị trai yeah. Sao chị sẵn nào thôi à? Okay. Awesome. Look at the line goes all the way over here. And it's still going. And it's still going. This is a line right here. It's all going. It's all going. Hey. Hello. Can you tell me something? Tell me what do you like about Hmong New Year?
You like coming to the Hmong New Year?
Tell me what do you like about Hmong New Year? Tell me something.
I like bracelet
Bracelet?
Shopping. You like shopping?
Yeah, yeah.
You like dressing Hmong clothes?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love it too. Tell me what do you like about Hmong New Year? Something, yeah.
We get to like buy stuff.
Say again?
To buy stuff.
Yeah? You like to buy stuff? Cool.
I always like stuff.
Yeah?
I always like stuff.
You guys are the one that has the most fun. The older people, they don't even have that much fun anymore. But you guys, man, I see that you had so much fun. I love that. Yeah. Oh my God. I love the excitement from the kids. Okay, so somebody lost their shoes. Somebody lost their shoes, right? Whoever went this way lost their shoes. So again, the food line continued to go this way. We have a lot of food vendors this year. I hope everybody makes a lot of money. I'm sure they are making money. Hello, where you guys from?
Here.
From here?
Yeah.
Like this park, this land?
No, Oklahoma, Tulsa area.
Oh, Oklahoma, Tulsa area. All right. I asked because I never seen you guys before. You guys look so awesome in those clothing.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love it. So, share with me something that you look forward to about Hmong New Year. Something that something about Hmong New Year that you're excited about. Tell me, start with it.
Dressing up.
Dressing up?
Mm-hmm,
Yeah. Okay, so you love to dress up for Hmong New Year, right? And then how about you? What do you think about it?
I'm excited for the Hmong dancing.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, next year we're dancing
next year.
Let's go, girl. I got
Check
you.
out our Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the name of the Facebook?
What is it? Something. Just look up Tulsa Hmong group.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. You guys are sisters?
No. We just dance together.
Just dance together?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Hey. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Enjoy talking to you guys. Thanks for taking your time.
Take care.
Okay. Hey, nhớ đâu à? Nếu mà hai là món là hai là mấy cả?
Hai là món à?
Hai là món là okay.
Hai là món mình
Có kể được cụ sẽ tell me something about Hmong New Year that you're excited about. That you, yeah.
I'm excited about everybody just coming together because it's just once a year, you know?
Yeah.
You get to see all your Hmong community come together. It's just a happy time. Come and have fun.
Great. Con này. You want to show off your Hmong clothes? Yeah. That's the thing you look forward to every year, huh? Great. Tell me your relationship. Oh, you guys so lucky. You're so lucky. You found each other.
Yeah.
Okay, no, I got this one to look at. Alright, sorry guys. Let me go this way because the sun is in my lens. Okay. 你當冇拿車？那冇啦。誒冇啊嘛，你全部冇拿嚟車啦。
哦，我冇事，全部冇。
Okay. Alright, guys. Oh, look at it. This line is so long. I wouldn't even wait if it was me. I would just start. But hey, how's it going?
Good.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Okay. Yeah, nhớ thế tu người này. Yeah. The food line is just extremely long right now. Everybody's hungry. Great business in Tulsa right now. Thế đâu? Có cứ như một cái bỏ qua đi. Chỉ là hai thế này. Okay. Yeah. Con này, you doing good?
Good.
Okay. All right. There's so many people. Nhớ rồi, cái gì? Yeah, nhớ rồi à? Yeah. Có tôi hỏi
Nyob Oklahoma.
nhớ làm ok, nhớ rất là
Oklahoma.
Awesome. Okay. Coi tôi còn chế biến cho tôi cho bây giờ.
Tôi giờ là sử dụng thế nào?
Cái cuộc sống nó có sao vậy?
Trong mà.
Rồi. Okay. Good. Thank you, guys. Okay, I'm looking for people to interview. Hey,
Meet again.
meet again. Tell me what is your thought about all what's going on here today, and just your overall feeling about Hmong Oklahoma and all that
Hey, I
stuff.
like it. I love it. This is
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
This is different.
Yeah.
And also, This is our first time here in Oklahoma. It's pretty good. I like it. I like the vibe, and everything's good in here. So
Awesome.
we're about to get some food. That's what I'm.
Introduce yourself, where you're
Okay.
from and all that. So, hey, don't go nowhere. Don't go for you. Okay, tell me. Yeah. Okay. And who invited you over here?
All my dance girls want to come.
Oh,
dance
your
and all.
dance girls?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. How about you, son? Where you from?
Singapore.
Yeah, Singapore. Okay. Oh my God, we have so many people from different towns. How about you, sir? Where you from?
Nyob, Oklahoma.
Nyob, Oklahoma. Lúc đầu chưa?
Chê đó.
Jia?
Chê to.
Okay. This is Bất Than Ye. Hey, you're gonna be Bất Than next, right? Okay, Bất Than, how do you feel about this? Tell me.
Yeah, it's good. Sau đó nhanh chóng cái đó.
Yeah.
Sau đó nhanh chóng cái theo sau đó nào có giờ món chóng là họ chừng chén giờ họ để cho mình nhiều sau đó nào có giờ món chóng này.
Yeah.
Thì họ nói vậy họ long qua mình nó qua đó sau đó tôi xin chào.
Okay. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, man. Okay, good to see you, brother. Okay. Hey, I need to see you at the beer garden later.
Thêm món đó rồi á.
Okay. Tomorrow. Okay. Look at this line. This line is just increasing right now. This line is just growing and growing, getting so long right now. Look at that. This is food line right here. And it's, I'm glad it's not that hot today. It's sunny, but it's not extremely hot because it's... Hello, có chắp lao hả?
Yeah, tôi học nó bọt tạc.
Nó tạc cái là tiền đâu thế? Oh my God. You just ate and you want like A9 again?
Yeah, back from my
Okay.
dad.
Yeah, this food is delicious. What's up, Lucas?
Question A.
Hey.
I won't press your ass.
Yes, sir.
Can I get a picture?
Yeah.
Okay.
We already got one though. You know that, right? We took one, but you can take as many as you want because I love to be in the picture. Yeah. Yeah. All right, Lucas. Thank you, man. Okay, man. Take care, okay?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you post my picture. What's up? Hello, baby. Hi. You have such a bald-headed like uncle right here. Yeah. 你有我都做啥？
真的你不能。
这老边要后边了，哎，旁边这边。
下头那么跑下头那。
你到底Steve last time 呀？
多了。
我老你跑打。I was there.
个老头中啊，那都叫那个呢。
11. Yeah.
那么规模特别开大。
Yeah. I'll see you guys. Okay, so here we go. Woo! If you don't mind, can I ask you some questions?
Sure.
Welcome to Hmong New Year anyway.
Thank you.
To begin with. Tell me what your feelings about this. For my video. Oh, but maybe I know you mean we're too old. Let me ask a kid. Okay, tell me what your feelings about this, being out here in this environment.
She's bashful.
Maybe you can start.
I'm feeling really happy.
Truly happy. It's a happy place to be, huh? Something like what? Disneyland, maybe? Almost.
A little bit.
It's different, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And do you hear English being spoken around here?
Do you hear English or other languages?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Tell me, do you have this little feeling about being in a different world right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like it's not like America no more, right? You feel like it's like in a foreign world, right? Tell me about that. Tell me that. What do you feel about?
You win.
Okay.
It's just fun. Just
Yeah.
being around everybody and
Yeah.
learning all about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Experiencing a different culture.
Yep.
Yeah. You know, it's. I told my American friend. I said, hey, come out here. You're gonna feel like you're in a different world
Definitely.
because you're surrounded by people that are not familiar to you. You're surrounded by food that are not familiar to you. You're surrounded by sounds that are not familiar to you. Activities are a little different. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you have that vibe. I hope you feel that vibe. You know? I hope you can go home and tell your friends, hey, I went to this Hmong New Year celebration. Dang, I feel like I'm in a different world. I hope you can tell your friend that, right? Tell me how you feel about that. Do you feel like a little bit like that? Yeah? Yeah. A little foreign, a little bit foreign, huh? A little bit foreign, huh? Not quite like home, right? A little different, right? Yeah, yeah. So if your dad had never taken you out to another country, you don't have to go because you're already here in another country. Yeah. It feels like it already, right? Yeah. All right, guys. Enjoy. Bye. So, make our perspective. I don't know. I've kind of helped them, so it wasn't their own opinion. It's kind of my own opinion, but. Video so many people attending Hmong New Year this year. We hope to continue to have this kind of success. I noticed you nod because you noticed I was looking at you, right? So anyway, thanks for coming out. First of all, Happy New Year to everyone. I want to hear from different perspective. I want you to tell me what your thought about this, how you feel being in this environment.
I like it. Good people. The food is good.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
Food is like everybody's favorite thing, isn't it? Yeah. What's your name?
Marquis.
Marquis. You from here?
Yeah, I'm from Tulsa.
Tulsa. Okay. And who's she?
That's my girlfriend, Amy.
Yeah.
Hey, Amy, yeah.
Amy. Tell me, Amy, what do you look forward to in about Hmong culture, Hmong New Year?
Honestly, just the love and the welcoming here.
Yeah.
And just how everyone's welcome and it's diverse.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Hopefully you felt welcome.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully you feel family here, okay? Because Hmong people is about family.
Right.
So family. Once you're in this place, you're family. If you ain't family, you ain't coming. You ain't coming here. Yeah. Okay. All right. Good see me. Oh shit, my camera. Happy New Year, everybody. I'm just playing with you. Where you guys from?
California.
California?
Yeah.
Woo! So glad to see people so.
Alaska.
Alaska?
Alaska.
Oh my lord. How about you? Alaska too?
Japan.
Japan. Oh my god. Damn.
I'm just kidding.
Hey. 我用 share 的，别人能要在这边干啊 anywhere else that feel so excited to be here in Oklahoma for Hmong New Year, okay? Right. We want to continue to do this. We want this to be the next best place to go to Hmong New Year.
Yeah.
Yes. People can do anywhere else they want, but we're gonna make it the best ever.
The new capital.
Yeah, the new capital. The new capital. I have always said this is gonna become the next Hmong capital, and it is becoming. It's just a matter of time. Yeah,
Getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
That's good.
All right, guys.
Okay.
Happy New Year to y'all. Okay. Yeah. Stay safe. Stay safe. Ooh, I need to go pee right now. So there are more things, more places that I could go, but I'm so tired right now. So, 我去探子了，OK？就探到了，因為一日嘅波士，嗰啲波就俾我落後面啦，幾耐啫，幾耐車俾咗，俾我喺冇賺啦，OK？所以佢一上用去落啦，嗱，也俾Hello, I need to talk to this kid. Hi. How are you?
Good.
Yeah? What's your name?
Yuri.
Oh yeah? Okay. Where are you from?
Where I was from?
Yeah, what city, what town are you from?
I'm just from a neighborhood.
Neighborhood? All right. Me too. I'm in your neighborhood. We're from the same neighborhood. Yeah. Tell me, hold on. I'm going to ask you a question. Tell me something you enjoy about this celebration here.
That it has so many things and it has so many things that I can buy.
Yeah. I love it. I love your outfit.
Thank you.
Your clothes look so nice. Who made those clothes?
Somebody bought this.
Yeah? Oh, your mom bought those?
I'm not sure who bought it.
You're not sure who bought it? Okay. Well, it looks beautiful. You look so beautiful on it.
Thank you.
I see you, kid. Bye-bye. Oh my God, love kids. Love to interview kids. They're the finest group of people that. Hey, who is this guy? Hey, hi. Say hi. Hi. Hi, say hi. How are you? Are you enjoying this? Yeah, nice. Enjoying the street time. Okay, love it.
Yeah, we saw Auntie over there at food. And Auntie's like, Uncle's is by the bear garden. I was like, I'll stay away.
Yeah,
from there. I'll stay away from there.
Come over there. Thank you. Come over.
I'll come over there in a bit.
Come over there, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I visited every corner in there already. So
Okay.
right now I gotta go visit something else.
Okay.
So here we go. Hopefully my camera is on. I'm not even sure. So buzzed right now.
Chiếc thay đó tuy nhẹ dây thay đó nhưng mà thay to với mỏ to đấy ạ. Giờ này chỉ một phiên thay thôi.
Nó太大了，欧洲太阳，跟绝对了。
Đau cơ.
上地了，你就集中我。等我扒掉啊！
Cho mà nhua đây, chỉ có ba.
Oh boy, I need to go find a restroom. My bladder is about to explode. I wish I could go to the sports section and videotape some of that for you, but you can probably tell what's going on over there. Nó ba thế à? Ê, tụi nó chó ba thế, chó ba thế. Ê, yeah. Thế rồi, nó bên đây nhá. Ní tụi à? Hả? Iowa. Oh. Yeah. I used to live in Omaha. Ít buổi xong đâu là cũng nhớ Omaha. Yeah, ít buổi xong. Ít buổi chi châu à, nhớ cả. Yeah, I used to live there. Yeah, nhưng there. Yeah, cũng nhớ đó thì cũng mà đi một California này. Thì cũng là khá là nó. Nó sẽ đi chơi được à? Ní buổi nhẹ thế à? Ní buổi là gì? Là, okay.
Yeah, first year bé tôi nó xứ này nó chập nó cũng lo không cầu lo.
Ní sao bỏ mong nó biết châu thì họ nói thì the next best thing là sao? Yeah.
Cái này họ lo có tụ không cầu lý
Yeah,
do.
yeah. I'm so glad you guys are here enjoying yourself.
Yeah.
You know, chỉ biết chơi ít họ biết hay mong biết always chia sẻ ya.ต่อnó biết chơi sẽ biết đi bài show off biết được không giờ ya. Show off biết được không giờ muốn nói tớiผู้ยืนthả muốn chỉ tớiผู้ยืนshareผู้ยืนพูya. Yeah. Hey, bây giờกูรอเป็นอยู่คนจะมองก็ได้ผู้ช่วยอ่ะ
Nó mò cũng sát kia, nó mò cũng bay qua nên nó chỉ nó về thì nó cứ cái lọ chứ, lỡ cái về lọ nó chơi, bây giờ thứ to coi rất lọ to nó chơi, cái một nhóm tới chỗ từ mà chỉ to phòng đó, lọ to nó chỉ mà bé phòng nó gì vậy cũng
oh, cho mong cái tôiบอกก็ช่วยกูtôiรอเป็นกูแทงอ่ะI got your video นี่มึงเจอเหรอ
cái bài mà chơi thế, bài gì bài bểพอดี
oh yeah นี่เหมือนเบบี้อ่ะแต่เบบี้เหรอเนี่ยกูจริงๆก็เป็นกับเบบี้เขานอนเบบี้เจอแฮนด์เขานอนเจอเบบี้ชิลล์ yeah
okay let's see hand on it
Thank you.